All right, going to be going through this kata today. Given a string of words, you need to find the highest scoring word. Um, each letter of a word scores points according to its position in the alphabet. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. You need to return the highest scoring word as a string. If two words score the same, return the word that appears earliest in the original string. All letters will be lowercase and all inputs will be valid. So we have this right here. I'm going to use this as my string to test for, and I'm going to name it the variable x because that's the variable in the function. So x equals this. Oh, I'm missing a quote. So run that. And then the challenging part here is converting these letters to numbers. So the way that I'm going to do this is make a variable called alphabet. And this is going to be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Kind of hard to like type the alphabet without like singing the song, so I did it so silently. But if I want to find the word, find the letter, the alphabet. If I want to find A, so it's at 0.0. So A is supposed to be at 0.1, so I can just do A plus 1. If I do B, it should be 2, and C is 3, and Z should be 26. So I can use this dot find and this variable alphabet to assign points to letters. So I need to split this string. So to do that, I'm going to do for word in x, and I want to do x dot split. So this will split on the open space. So if I print x, I want to print word, not x. So man, I need a taxi. Now I can iterate through this word. So for letter in word, print letter. And now we have all the letters. So I want to add up for each word. I want to add up the number of points. So I'm going to call this word points and assign it to be 0. So the reason I'm assigning it to be inside of here, not usually, a lot of times you'll assign things outside of the for loop, is each time I do a word, I want to start over. So once I do man, and I go to I, it should be restart this count. So I want to do word points plus equals alphabet dot find letter. And then once I'm done, I want to print the word and word points. So man is 25, I is 8. And I'm realizing I'm doing something wrong here because A should be a 1 and not a 0. So I remember right, I need to add 1, what I did earlier. So let's just, I want to just do a sanity check on this. Taxi is supposed to be the top one, so let's do it for taxi. So T in taxi, so alphabet dot find T plus 1, and do the same thing for A, and do the same thing for X, do the same thing for I. So 21 plus 9 is 30, plus 24 is 54. So it does look like it's correct. We just want to return the top word. So I'm going to have a variable outside of the for loop. So max points. And I'm going to check if the word points is greater than max points. If word points is greater than max points, I'm going to update the max word. I'm going to initiate it with being empty string. So if word points is greater than max points, max points equals word points. So update max points to be this new maximum number, and then max word is equal to word. And we did this correctly, it should return print taxi. So nice. Let's try it with these other test cases they give us. So what time are we watching? Are we climbing up the volcano? Update this right here. And volcano, that is correct. And then take me to and cool. So it looks like it is running correctly. I'm gonna put this in there and we can try it out. I want to return max word. So let's test it out. Passed all the test cases. And looks like we passed all the cases. So this is my solution. Hopefully it was useful, and let me know if you have any questions.